My Pony. I have these cool things to show you. That's my name, Madison May. Stickers, and I'm gonna show how I put these on. Madison. Okay. First, well, my dad's girlfriend Adrian works for this company. My dad's girlfriend Adrian, she knows these people in her family. Rowan and Venice, their parents, well, they work, their parents work at this, they own this company, and they make these. It's really cool. I'll show you what they do. Okay, there it is. Okay. Oh, okay, this is how you do it. I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, move my tablet towards all. Okay. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. See? Right there. That's where I put it. You have to take a card or something really hard. Yeah, I'll use a card. Where is it? I just had it. Really, where is it? Okay. Oh, there it is. My butt. Okay. You have to scrape at it for like 30 seconds. Or like 20 or something. Just to do it kind of hard. So there we go. I should do it like a little longer. Okay. Alright. Take it off. You slowly pull it. And then, yeah. Yep, it shows up. It's really cool. Okay, there we go. Isn't it cool? Well, I'm going to show one more. Oh, come on. Stupid tablet. Something. Ooh. Toilet. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh, shut up, Blue. Okay. Shush! Stupid. Shut up. Dumb face. Here we go. Madison. And let's do one more thing. I already wrote it on my binder. I already have it on my binder. And I'll write it on the beginning of this. I'll do it on the beginning of I keep saying writing. I'll just do it on the beginning of this. With my scissors. Awesome scissors. Okay, just gonna put it on the end. I'm going to put it right on the end. Put it on the end. Yeah, put put it on the oh, oopsie. Crap. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it's like really hard to come off. See, I'm like scraping it like really hard. And it is very hard to come off. So, yeah. There we go. Alright, every pony, I hope you enjoyed.